Welcome to Codezlux. Today we will discuss how to insert media into HTML. Before starting video, if you did not subscribe to our channel, then please subscribe it and also press the bell icon. Thanks. So let's jump into our lecture. Open the new file and save it as index.html. Insert the basic syntax by writing HT and then press the Ctrl+ space. Add the title of your own choice. Then come to the body section and add an H3 paragraph. Then start your code. First we will insert the audio file into HTML. To insert that one, write an audio tag and in that audio tag, write attribute like controls equal to true. Then after that write source tag in which we will add a source. Then type of that source. Save the file and reload the page. After that, write H3 tag and enter some text in that tag. Then we will insert a video. To insert that one we will write a video tag and in that tag, write controls equal to true. Also, give the width. Muted is equal to true. If you want to mute it by default, loop equal to true. If you want to play it many times, then after that, add a source tag and in that source tag give the source of the required video file. Then type of the file, like video. To give a thumbnail as in the YouTube videos, write a poster and give the source of a thumbnail or image you want to put in. Then after that we will insert YouTube video. To add that one, go to YouTube channel and search for Codezlux. You will find the video. To insert this video, click on the share button and then click on embed. Click copy to copy the text. Then come to your code editor and paste your embed code here. Then reload the page. You will get the result. So that's all about today's lecture. Your assignment is to practice these tags and put some different video and audio files. Stay tuned. We will be right back soon.